All right, this is reason number 2 of why to buy a Honda Fit. So me and my boy Juan here, we're gonna try and fit this washing machine. Sorry, this dryer, right? The dryer?
Yeah, dryer.
We try to fit this dryer in this fit. If it fits, it ships. If it fits in the fit, it ships. I like that.
Yeah, it's a good one.
So, all right, let's see if we can fit real quick. All right, how we doing this? Bottom right here.
Yeah, I guess.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Clear on this side.
Yep.
Clear on that side.
Yep.
All right. Watch the cord.
Yep.
Pick it up. Yep. Slide it forward a little bit. Can you go some more?
Yep.
A little bit more.
Maybe that vent tube on the bottom?
Nope. It's good up top. There it goes. Oh shit. All right. Let's take a look at what's going on over here. And it fits.
Cool.
It fits in the fit.
Look at that.
It fit in the fit. And you used to have mad space over here, so like if you had tools and stuff like that, you could fit stuff right there.
Oh yeah, I mean you still got more room.
Oh, yeah. And you got more space inside too. You got mad space in there. Look at that. So a stroller. Look at that. Look at that. I think we might be the first people ever to fit a freaking dryer in a fit.
Yeah.
That's lit.
Yep, and close it now. Make
Check
sure
the
to
clothes.
block the back window.
Look at that. Wow. That's dope. And now we're probably 2 hours because it's crunch time. Drive back to Orlando, but I'm pretty stoked. Juan, thanks for appreciate it. Dap it up.
Boom.
It's gonna go into the house. Time to get rid of our dryer I have. Probably end up just like giving it away, honestly, to somebody who may need it. I think that'd be tight.
Yep.
Juan gave me his. We're gonna give ours away. Only right. All right. So this is once again to buy a Honda Fit. All right. I'll bet. Do it again.
Man, it's blue. Oh look, it's blue.
Blue.
Favorite color.
Oh, blue Corvette. Oh, you want to race?
You will win.
Once again, if it's your first time following this channel, go ahead and give us a follow and make sure you smash the like button. Thank you guys for always watching. Once again, I'm gonna do a couple more of these of why you should buy a Fit. I freaking love this car. It's super dope, super practical, super reliable. You can do burnouts and it's 5-speed. So why wouldn't you want to get one of these, right? So next time, peace.